Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Harini Abdilia Setiawati and the co-author of Miss Siti Nur Azizah. Our paper title is The Effect of Job Crafting to the Work Engagement, the mediation role of person job fit and job resources on the tour guide in Yogyakarta. Part of research was introduction, literature review, methodology, result, discussion, and conclusion. Introduction. Human resources expected by the company are those who can and want to be tied to their work. Softly et al. 2002 stated that work engagement is defined as a positive mental condition, providing job related satisfaction, which is defined as rigor, dedication, and absorption. Employees will do everything they can without any coercion because they are already immersed in the work they are doing. Work engagement can be shaped well by many factors, one of which is employee job crafting. Rosniska and Becker, 2016, stated that job crafting is a modification of tasks or job characteristic on one's initiative. Employees with high job crafting are more tied to their jobs than employees with low job crafting. James Baker and Deck 2014 state that job crafting has a positive influence on work engagement. Employees can be tied to the company and their work because they feel comfortable at work, and it can be obtained if there is a match between themselves and the work they are doing, or so-called person job fit. Person job fit refers to relationship between employee characteristic and job characteristic. Christoph Braun et al. 2005. When employees have suitability with their job, they will work to the best of their ability. Person job fit is a condition that it describes an employee's suitability or ability with job demands, individual needs, and what the job can provide to employees. Cable and Giroux 2002. The effect of person job fit on work engagement is evidenced in research conducted by Chen et al. 2014. That person job fit has a positive effect on work engagement. The results of this study are different from the result of a research conducted by Jeffrey et al. 2013 that person job fit does not have a significant effect on work engagement. We also found the results of a study conducted by Cheney et al. 2014. There is a positive effect of job crafting on a person job fit, but it is different from the findings of Teams et al. 2016. Job crafting does not affect person job fit. This finding allow modification of some of the above studies, namely making job crafting an independent variable, work engagement as to the dependent variable, and person job fit as mediating variable. Yoval Demarati and Peters 2015 stated that job crafting affect job resources. Job resources are important for employees because they provide flexibility and provide opportunity to people their skill. Whereas at work, employees who have work engagement need sufficient resource when they work. A profession as a tour guide requires high job crafting. When doing work as a guide for tourists who are enthusiastic about their tour and demand satisfaction for their tour, the role of tour guide is meaningful in the next tour visit to an area. Yogyakarta in Indonesia is a province that has natural and cultural potential that interesting to visit. Based on data from the Central Statistic Agency for the special region of Yogyakarta, The number of visits by both local and foreign tourists exceed 4 million visits in 2019. We saw Yogyakarta as a tourist destination favored by both local and foreign tourists. Natural potential in the form of beautiful beach and cultural heritage, such as the Yogyakarta Palace, has become a world tourist attraction. Yogyakarta is also unique as a city of education in Indonesia, so that it is a special attraction in addition to its unique culture. They keep visiting another other than because of the tourism potential as well as the good service from the tour guide. Tour guides must be able to make any modification to their work and must be able to do creative services. Their job demands good collaboration skills. They must also be able to resolve complaints from tourists. The purpose of this study was to examine the effect of job crafting on work engagement, as well as the mediation role of job resources and the mediation role of PJFIT on the effect of job crafting on work engagement on tourists in Jakarta. Yes, and this is the explanation how work engagement and other variable affect the dependent work. Arju Hakanen Savali 2016 state that work engagement refer to a positive and satisfying psychological state. The statement is aligned with Savali and Becker, which define work engagement as positive work-related activity characteristic by vigor, dedication, and absorption. And person job fit is a condition that describes the existence of a match between an employee's ability with job demand, individual needs, and what the job can provide employee. Cable and Drew 2002. And Baker, Demetri, and Verbeek define job resources like physical, psychological, social, and organizational aspect of work that not only have the potential to reduce the negative effect of job demands and help to achieve work goals, but also stimulate personal growth and learning and develop a positive state of work engagement. Redesigning work has long been seen as a top-down approach, which is defined as the attraction that organizations take to improve employee motivation and organizational performance. So, the hypothesis of this study is job crafting affect work engagement. Job crafting affect job resources. Job resources affect work engagement. Job resources mediate the effect of job crafting on work engagement. Job crafting affect person job fit. Person job fit affect work engagement. Person job fit mediates the effect of job crafting work engagement. Okay, and this is the study framework and the methodology. Data from Yogyakarta Special Region Tourism Office in 2019 shows that there are more than 500 tour guides in Yogyakarta. The study distribute 250 questionnaire to travel agent in Yogyakarta by email and 1025 questionnaire can be processed during November 2019 and January 2000. Measurement, the main source of this research was developed with a questionnaire measured using a 5-Likert scale with a range from strongly disagree 1 to strongly agree 5. Work engagement is a positive and satisfying state related to thinking work as measured by vigor, dedication, and consisting of 9 items. Job drafting is defined as physical and cognitive change made by individuals in their work to align work with their preference, motives, and interests. Measured by tasking crafting, resource crafting, and cognitive crafting with 9 statement items. Job resources are physical, psychological, and social aspects that are function in achieving work goals, reducing work demands related to psychological and psychological costs, and stimulating personal growth and development measured by social support, autonomy, quality of relationship with superiors, and performance feedback with a 10-item statement. Meanwhile, a person job field is condition that describe the existence of a match between an employee's ability with job demands, individual needs, and what the job can provide to employee. Measured by need supply fit and demand ability fit measured by uh, six statement. The data analysis tool uses variance-based SAM with tools such as SmartPLS. And the result, this is the demographic data, so that most respondents in this study have a young age of 20 to 30 years, as much as 50 and 2%. Most of respondents were male, as much as 80 and 2% with good education, namely 70 and 7% with from higher education. The validity test of instrument of work engagement, job crafting, job resources, and person job fit variables show that all pass the validity test marked with a leading factor of uh, 0.7. Reliability test. So the table 6, the result of the reliability test for instrument. So reliability research because each instrument has a converged alpha and reliable value more than 0.6 and an IFA more than 0.5. This is the interpretation of the correlation coefficients of a strong relationship with coefficient interval more than 0.6. The hypothesis testing so that all of hypothesis is accept the result so that job crafting have a positive and significant effect on work engagement and job crafting has positive and significant effect on job resources. Job resources has a positive and significant effect on work engagement, and the result so effect of job crafting has a positive and significant effect on person job fit. Effect of person job fit on engagement indicate that person job fit has a significant effect on work engagement. This is the empirical model and this is the part part pet coefficient is accepted. Results show that job crafting defined as changing boundary condition of work tasks and work relationship and job crafting will have a big influence of employee to become more involved with their company. Also, so that employees can bond with company, they need comfort in working and this can be obtained if there is a match between themselves and the work they do. Person job fit refer to the relationship between employee characteristic and job characteristic. Chen stated that Job crafting is increase person job fit and in turn increases their job involvement. In other words, a person job fit mediates the effect of job crafting and on job engagement. This research showed that job crafting has a positive and significant effect on job resources. Job resources owned by employees will balance the needs of the job and so the effect of mediation so that employees can increase their involvement in work. The word of tourism required human resources who can modify various aspects of work and match the skill possessed by employees so that employees are increasingly involved. Practically, organizations such as tourism agents must make effort so that employees recruited have adequate abilities and skill and continue to make training effort to improve employee skill with a good approach between superiors and subordinates. Thank you.